They didn't have to do that. They just wanted to do that.
Exactly.
They do that to all of us and stuff. They let other little people get away with bullshit. He could have just shut the hell up and mind his business.
Right. And then, like I said, it was just the way he was talking to me. I definitely would have listened to instructions, but the way he was talking to me was very unprofessional. And then his hands were all in my face. He didn't dismiss that part. So if I'm getting off the plane, I feel like as a flight attendant, they need a better flight attendant. He need to get off too.
They're not going to happen. But my point, I want you to make sure you do your report.
Thank you, by the way. I'm missing my connection, which means I have to now get off the plane.
Oh, so you're worried about a connection.
Oh, yeah.
You're worried about connection while a grown man is disrespecting me.
I don't give a shit.
You don't give a shit. So I don't give a shit. So I don't give a shit. I didn't do anything. So, oh, Jesus. Because I'm selfish. Okay. Okay. Huh? Like a signature? Oh, I don't got no pen in that moment.
Here you go. A pen right here. Let me get my damn pen. Let me get my paper for you. Get off the damn flight real quick. Sign it on my money thing right here. Put it right here, real quick. I was on the flight with you.
Yes, ma'am. That is fun. No, I'm Miss Richardson.
They want you off the plane.
May I be explained to as to why I'm being removed off the plane?
The captain wants you off the plane.
Okay, does the captain know the situation that happened before removing me?
They make the call.
They made the call. So do they know that this man's hands was all up in my face and he was very disrespectful and I felt threatened?
At this time, the captain wants you off the plane.
I'm taking her shoes.
That's fine. No, I want to talk to the captain because he was very unprofessional. No, I don't want you to get in trouble, Mom. I got you.
I got money that I got. I do not worry, baby. I fly every doggone.
Come forward, why?
I got lots of checks.
I have to come off the plane. Is he going to be removed off the plane as well? The flight attendant? He's not going to be removed? I'm just trying to understand the situation. So he's not being removed after being unprofessional and having his hand in my face?
Hold on. At this time, the captain doesn't want you on
You
the
get
airport,
off,
so
please,
at
mother,
this
let
time,
me know,
you
because I
can
got
control
one on
the
me,
aircraft.
too. I don't
At this time, you just gotta come off.
So can the captain come and does the captain know the situation? He's not going to come. No. So I'm being removed off the plane without even being explained of why?
What we could do is put you on a flight, but this time the captain won't.
Right. What's the name of that? What's his name?
You can ask him.
What's your name? No, but you jumped in my video. That's what started this whole thing. And the video shows you jumped in my video and invaded my privacy. You know that, right? So you're going to, so it's a possibility you can lose your job because I have evidence. It's not like I'm just talking. So I feel like you should own up right now to your actions because I have to be removed off the plane because of your actions. So I'm going to make sure that you receive the consequences for your actions, okay? Okay? You understand that, right? You understand, right? Who are you talking to?
You put my phone number?
Yes, I have your phone number. Yes, that's perfectly fine. Sir, if you say one more thing, all of y'all that are very, very rude. No.
Don't do that.
Who are you talking to?
Hey, get off and we're going to
I'm getting off. I promise you, everybody on this aircraft, y'all have no idea.
Yeah.
call me when you do get off her. Right?
Yes, I am. Y'all have no idea. And I have the evidence, so I hope that you are okay with your actions. Bye, ma'am. You want to make your flight so bad, but yet you don't understand having integrity and being a decent person. You saw that, right?
I saw you making a video.
Okay. It was a video of my face and he jumped in it. But it's a video and y'all see it on social media because y'all have no idea who I am. So, okay, bye. And will. Bye. And you're fat. What the fuck? Oh, thank you so much. And I'm still a superstar. What the fuck is your problem? You're a regular person. What the fuck? Get off the plane. Because I can buy a private plane, dumbass.